Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. This video will guide you through the process of managing the user list in ItemPass. As a primary user or admin, you have the ability to view all company employees in the user list, including their current statuses. Regular users, however, do not have access to the user list. Here, you can manage these users, including disabling or activating users, resetting passwords, setting as admin, or revoking admin privileges. Authorized to designate some will then have the same comprehensive access to all systems as a primary user, except the ability to set as admin rights. You can add users here, enter the new user's email address. 2. If you have enabled Microsoft AD, select it here and maintain the AD account details. The system will automatically create a linkage between the pass and the AD accounts. Then initialize the password for the user here, and maintain basic information about the user here. Next, you will need to assign application access permissions and corresponding roles to the user. The system initializes an admin role for each application. If you need to create other roles, you can log into the respective application and maintain role information on the role page under User Settings. After you have maintained the above information, clicking Save will create an account for the user. The system will also send a confirmation email to the user's email address. Once the user confirms via email, their account will be officially activated. Moreover, you can continue to edit the existing user's application access permissions and assign roles. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to manage the user list. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.